guys, we're here at Port Darlington. Today we're here at Bowmanville, Port Darlington. We're just playing in the playground. And today we got sponsored by FCUSTOM Jersey. So I got my own jersey, which is the number 18 T Squad right here. Yeah. There's like maybe 5 or 6 sports for jersey, and yeah, I picked the baseball one. I don't know, I forgot, but yeah, it's really cool. You should get one and maybe just cheer like maybe Toronto Raptors. Or you can visit their website. It's FCUSTOMJersey.com.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a link in the description below. Maybe just check it out.
Allison, what are you doing? Wow, that's a huge slide.
Yeah, push me out. Push me. Okay, go a little bit farther. Yeah, push me. Keep pushing me. Push. Push. Yeah.
Are you guys having a little break from school?
Yeah.
What's that for?
This is the
Oh,
and that one is you do like this.
you can do like that.
Yeah.
That's cool.